I want to take a quick training on how to create Fiverr gig, and then you can easily make sales with it, and keywords that will really help. So the first thing you need to do if you are creating your Fiverr gig is open your Google Chrome. Make sure it is not on the account you created. Like, if you want to do what I'm going to do, make sure it is not on the account you created. So go to Google Chrome. I have a particular Chrome profile I use for search. So this is my own Fiverr search. So you create one for yourself. So once you click on Fiverr search and it opens, so so what you just need to do is just type fiverr.com. So once you type fiverr.com on your profile, the first thing you need to do is, at least before you start creating an account, you have a skills before. There's something you want to work on. So that service you want to work on now. Maybe the service you want to work on is ebook right formatting. Let's use ebook formatting, for example. Ebook formatting. If you are creating ebook formatting, for example, now just type ebook formatting and click search. It will search. So immediately you start searching, you will see different people that have been offering this particular service. So when you check it, we have over 13,000 results, 13,000 plus rendering the service. So here now, you should know that you are not the only one rendering the service. You are not the only one that will render the service. So, and it is very competitive. There are some that you will go there, you will see over 20,000. There are some service you will go there, you will see over 29,000, over 30,000, 100 plus. So every service is very competitive. It is your keyword that will distinguish you from them. So how do you get those keywords? How do you know the right keywords you use for your own gig? This is how you do it. Once you type the service you want to render, then you try checking out. Look at those people. What is that thing that makes them unique, that bring them up here, that bring them to the first page? What makes them to rank to this first page? These are the things you need to check out. So checking out everything, just look at their gig. So one thing you just do is you will open you go to different accounts, just open the tabs, open on different tabs. You can open up to like 10-20 tabs. You can open up to like 5 tabs. Just open different tabs. I will open like 5 tabs. Just want to check out. And if you are open tabs, make sure it relates with the service you want to render. So open different tabs, try check them out very well. So what is that thing that bring them to first page? What are those keywords? We see different services like this one now. I will create editable Canva ebook workbook design. How does design relate with formatting? These are things you need to check out. So what is that thing that this person input that make him rank on ebook formatting? Because this shouldn't rank on ebook formatting. So what is that thing that has been included that makes this person rank on ebook formatting? So these are the things you need to put in consideration. So try to check them out. If you are checking them out, like what you have, all the search tag you've opened, try to check them out. Look at what makes them unique. This person gig title said, I will format your book for Amazon Kindle KDP, ebook formatting, or book self-publishing. If you check another person, look at what is relevant. This person said, I will edit. Format shows here again. Daily devotional Christian ebook is here again. KDP is here again. These are things you need to check. The keywords. You check another person now. This person said, I will design a professional book cover. Book formatting. Formatting is here again. Ebook is here again. Check this person also. See that this person had ebook formatting. You can see formatting ebook. So checking them, you will see things that relate them together. So you will see things that relate them together. Book formatting, book editing, ebook formatting, book formatting, Amazon KDP. After that, once you have checked the gig title, from what you have checked, from the 4 or 5 of them, you can be able to derive your own gig title. And after that, don't copy what they have written. No, don't try that. Just check it out and try to draft out your own gig title. Another thing you need to check is their description. Reading this person's description, and this person said, are you ready to turn your manuscript into a professional formatted book and publish it successfully on Amazon? If you look at it very well, you see formatted book, you see Amazon KDP from the first paragraph. The second paragraph also is, I specialize in formatting book, keyword, publishing them on Amazon KDP. Another keyword, sure your manuscript align with industry standard and attract readers' attention. Whether you need an ebook or a paperback, keywords, boost both readable and visual appealing stuff and stuff like that. What I offer, from what I offer, you will see that the words still rank again. Book formatting, Kindle and paperback, custom design interior layout tailored to your book, perfect text. From what the person writes here, you will see that the keywords are not avoided. And another thing you need to do, if you are creating your Fiverr gig, if you realize that, okay, what I'm creating now, I want to know if the keywords is up to 3, because each keyword should be able to show for like 3 times in your gig description. So if you want to check it, you can click on Ctrl F. Yeah, if you click on Ctrl F now, let's type Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. If you check, it has 40. It appears 46 times. Check it now. 1, 2. You can read it. The reason why it appears here this much is because it is the whole page. So for your gig, this thing now, you will be able to know where Amazon KDP is showing. You know where Amazon KDP is showing to rank your gig very well. So this is another techniques you can use to rank your Fiverr gig. And apart from that, when you go to from the description, and checking the description, you see the keywords are very they are used wisely. And after that, checking your pricing. So professionally format for Kindle version, you will see that formatting is not avoided or it's not deleted. They had it again. If you check this one too, you will see formatting there. Formatting, paperback. If you check this one too, you see formatting again. Ebook, paperback, formatting. You will see that these keywords are being used everywhere. If you search their keywords, the 5 keywords that you'll be allowed to be inputted. Let's check the keywords now. You will realize that this particular person had, let's check, go down. Check it now. KDP, book formatting, book publishing, Amazon KDP, book formatting. Keywords are not avoided. You will see them inputted on this particular gig. So if you are creating your gig, it is very essential that your keyword is not avoided. This is the best way you can optimize your Fiverr gig to make sales very fast. Another thing you will do when you are creating your Fiverr gig is your gig image. Look at this beautiful gig image. This person is a good designer. Look at it. Formatting, keywords research, like keywords category, ISBN barcode, all things are being included. If you check another person, these are part of those things that make them rank. If a buyer is passing and see those gigs, the buyer will not avoid them. Believe me, you. Let's open this gig. Check it out. Christian book editing. Everything is added here. If you see this type of, let's check another person. Look at it. Very professional. It look creative. Look at this person also. It's creative. This is journal and ebook design. This is an ebook design. So check things out. Check it out. Look, another thing, if you want to create your gig image too, check out those people that have been doing it before you. If you don't have any idea of the design you want to create, check out those people in first page, second page, or newest arrival, check out how they design their gig image. Use that idea to create your own gig image too. That will make your design look unique. If you don't have any idea, if you don't have any on head to design, just check out Fiverr search. So once you get to Fiverr search, look at the way they design their own, look for one and try to duplicate what the person has designed. Don't copy, don't do exactly, but just try to derive idea from what the person has done. So from there your gig will surely rank. So if you want to learn more about Fiverr, you want to know more about Fiverr, you have an idea, you can start now. You can definitely start now. And when I'm coming on, when I'm posting my videos, I will make sure to train you guys on how to create Fiverr account from scratch. So I will train on how to create Fiverr account from scratch. From there, I know you will definitely learn. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Subscribe, like, share with your friends that you think they need this.